Okay, going. Okay, I'm Marissa and I'll be doing a second grade science lesson, and we will be focusing on the Explore E. Our teach today is the student is expected to compare patterns of movement of objects such as sliding, rolling, and spinning. And if my students will say our objective together. Ready?
I can trace and record the changes of position of several different types of objects to see the different types of motion.
Okay, friends. A second ago, we got to play with all of these different toys, right?
Yeah.
And we talked about several different kinds of movements. Can y'all recall what the three were that we mentioned?
Sliding.
Sliding
Oh,
was
and
one.
the car was rolling.
Rolling was another.
And the last one was spinning.
Yes, exactly. And remember how we talked and tried to make some arrows and some lines, but we weren't really sure which direction to put them?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to do a fun experiment today.
Oh.
And this way we can see the actual lines show up on our paper. It's going to be fun.
Wow. Do we get to use the paint?
We do get to use the paint. So what we'll do is we'll pick an object. We're going to make a prediction on what it's going to do coming down our paper, and when we dip it into the paint, you'll be able to see what motion it makes.
Ooh.
So then you'll know. Okay?
That's fun.
So let's pick an object to do first. Paint. Okay. What do you? It's a golf ball. Let's do the blue for it.
Yeah, I like that
Okay.
idea.
And then, what do y'all think? What kind of motion is this gonna make? What did we say this one was gonna do?
Well, it's gonna roll,
It's gonna roll.
but it'll probably go like zoom down the paper really fast.
Yes, I think you're right. Okay, so I'm gonna.
Can I
roll. You wanna hold it?
Can I?
Thank you. That would be great. And
I'll
baby,
catch
you can
it.
catch it. It's
This
gonna
is
be great.
fun.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's see where it goes.
Oh, it went
That was
straight.
so much fun. Yes, that was awesome. So what do y'all see? What motion do we have laying out for us?
It rolled.
It rolled.
And it
exactly.
went straight.
So do you think we could maybe add an arrow to the end of this?
We could do our lines down it.
Yes, it could use an arrow. Which way did I start it? Up here?
Here, so that way.
So our arrow would go this way,
Do
right?
you help? That's so cool.
Okay. Now, I want y'all to try and draw a rolling arrow on your paper, just like we did right here.
Oh, that's fun.
Exactly. So now we know what a roll looks like. Okay, which object do you want to do next? Which one do you want to try?
The car.
The car. Okay, and what do we think this one's going to do?
Roll, but it'll have more lines because there's four wheels.
Oh, that's smart. Okay, well, since that one's not too messy, do you think you want to pick a paint color and put it in there?
Yeah.
Ooh, she chose a different blue.
That's cool.
That's awesome. Avery, do you want to
Hold it?
see what motion it makes?
Yeah, I would love to.
I'll hold it for you. Try it on the other side so we can see.
This way?
That would be great.
You
We're going
ready?
to go down our range.
Woo!
Awesome. What did this one do?
It looks the same. It did the same.
It rolled again. Exactly. Do you want to draw our arrows?
Yes.
They go right there.
Should I do another one?
Sure. It went that way too, right?
Mm-hmm. It was wheels.
Perfect. That looks awesome. Okay, now we need to try a different motion, don't you think?
This one would be cool.
Okay. Bailey, do you want to paint that one too?
Yes. Orange.
That looks good.
We could hang this in our classroom.
Yeah, those are beautiful colors. Okay. Ready?
Oh, I wonder what that does. Where should I do it? Right here?
I think that'll be good. Here, let's try turning it over so we can see that better. This way we only see the cone. Ready?
Ready?
Ready to catch it? Let's go.
Whoa!
That looks cool.
It went like this. Circles.
Yes. And so if we could draw an arrow in a direction, which way do you think we'd do it? How about you try drawing this arrow, baby?
Like this. It went like that.
Awesome. You want to draw that on our poster board?
Yeah. Here you go. I'm gonna do it down here. I don't want to paint. It went like that.
Perfect. That looks so good. Okay, we need one more motion. We talked about what? Rolling. What was this one? What would we call this one?
Spinning.
A spin, exactly. It was spinning around in a circle. We need one more. What's
Sliding.
that? Sliding. So which of our objects do you think is going to slide down the poster board? The block. Let's try that one. And we only have one color left.
Green.
Okay. I'll put some pink in this one. I bet that's good. Okay. You gonna hold it this time?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Let's watch it go. Oh, this one's slow.
Oh. It just like skidded
I think
down.
Yeah, it kind of just went. You want to try and show the movement a little bit better?
Yeah.
There you go. If we could put an arrow on that one, Bailey, where do you think that arrow would go?
Down.
Down. It's just, this one just looks like what? A straight line?
Like that.
Perfect.
That's cool.
Okay. Now let's go ahead and label our poster with a different one since we want to hang it up. Yeah, we can still see this side. What was this one? The cone?
Yeah. Should I
That
write cone?
Sure, let's write cone and let's label, what was that one?
The spinning one.
Not spinning. Bailey, do you want to try this one?
There you go. This one was the block,
We did the block.
and it's sliding.
Perfect. This one, here, let's add a little something to this arrow so we make sure we know where it went. We need to make sure it went down, right? Now, what I'm noticing is that our rolling, right, looks a little bit like our sliding.
Yeah, except for this is a lot thicker.
This is a lot thicker. Do you think there's a better way we could draw this arrow? Because all we have is this. But you can notice it went in a little bit in circles.
Like those arrows we drew earlier.
On our chart.
We can put them on the sides.
Do you want to try doing that for us, Bailey?
And then it keeps going, so we put more.
Yep. Sure, you can put them the whole way down. As far as it went, that's perfect. And then we can see, like, if we did sliding and we want to show it went all the way down, now I don't want to get our marker wet, but it would go the whole way. Isn't that cool? Now, before we move on to the next part where we explain why this all happened, I want y'all to go ahead and try and record this in your journals or on that piece of paper, and we can cut it out and put it into our journal later.
So we have
I'm gonna do the same colors you did. The pink.
Oh, I love that idea. Do these arrows look a little bit different than the ones we were trying to draw earlier when we couldn't see them?
Yeah.
Oops, don't slide.
That looks good. After this, we'll cut those out and we'll get them into our journals, and then we're going to get to find out why all of those arrows are drawn the way we draw them.
That's cool.
We'll keep this hung up in our classroom.
One more.
This looks perfect. Okay, so to go back to our objective, we said I can trace and record the changes of position of several different types of objects to see all these different types of motion. Do y'all feel like we can do that now? Okay, let's move on and figure out why after this.